Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Dogecoin from Phantom Wallet to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Dogecoin securely and efficiently, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything. First, ensure your Phantom Wallet app is updated and installed on your device. Open it up and log in securely. Use your PIN, Face ID, or whatever method you have set. Step 1. Once inside Phantom, head to your Assets section and locate your Dogecoin balance. Tap on it to access the Send options. Step 2. Hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll be prompted to enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to send. Be precise. Enter the exact figure and double-check for any typos. Step 3. Now, grab the receiving address from your Arculus wallet. Open the Arculus app, go to your Dogecoin wallet, and copy the address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid sending to the wrong place. Step 4. Back in Phantom, paste the Arculus address into the recipient field. You'll also see a fee estimate. Factor that in, as network fees can vary in 2025 based on blockchain updates. Step 5. Review all the details on the confirmation screen, including the amount, address, and fees. If everything looks good, approve the transaction using your wallet's security features, like a signature or biometric verification. Step 6. Sit tight. The transaction might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Arculus wallet to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. That's it. You've successfully transferred your Dogecoin. Remember, stay safe in the crypto world by using hardware wallets when possible and keeping your software updated. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.